And here is Android Auto. Just tap on it and now you are connected. Hi guys, and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. I'm Dan and here is the Redmi Note 15, and in this video I will show you how to connect to Android Auto with this phone. Now I'm on my PC, but it's the same also when you try to connect your phone to your car. So this is the USB data cable and I will connect to my phone. And to select Android Auto, you need to go on your phone to the quick access panel. Here swipe to the left and here tap here where you see charging this device. And here we have file transfer Android Auto. So to connect to your car, just tap on it and that's all. Now, to don't do this thing anytime you connect to your car, I will show you a settings. And for that, you need to go on your phone to settings and here tap on about phone. And we have here OS version. Now tap for 7 times on this one to enable developer mode. And one more time, and you are now a developer. Now just go back to settings and here swipe and tap on additional settings and swipe again, and here we have developer options. And here just search for default USB configuration. Okay, here there is. Tap to go inside and here select file transfer. And that's all. Now you can exit. And now every time you connect your phone to your car with USB data cable, your phone will be automatically connected to your Android Auto. Let's check this. So I will tap here and as you can see, now my phone is connected to Android Auto. So I hope this video to be useful for you. Also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.